Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you and tell you how to enable comments in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the rest of the video. Let's get started. If you want to enable comments on your TikTok profile, you'll need to go to your profile. In the top right corner, click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. Then select Privacy. Then Comments. Here you select Comments. Then you can open a comment, Everyone, so that everyone can comment. Also select a certain number of friends, only for your subscribers, or close so that no one can comment on you. If you want to enable it, you put Everyone. Then anyone can write you any comment. You can reply to it and see it. After that, you exit and your settings are saved. That's it. If you liked this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all again. Goodbye.